Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best coffee mug toolbox reviews. Funny 325 milliliters coffee mug with toolbox design is a unique ceramic mug featuring a creative wrench pattern, perfect for auto or car mechanics. Made from high-quality ceramic, it's durable, heat-resistant, and comfortable to hold. Ideal as a fun gift for mechanics, engineers, or DIY lovers who enjoy a sturdy, stylish coffee cup.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.